Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace wheel studs on a Nissan Altima. First, gather your essential tools, including a lug wrench, a reliable jack, and the new wheel studs you'll be installing. Next, safely lift your Altima and secure it firmly on jack stands. Finally, remove the wheel and carefully detach the brake caliper to gain clear access to the hub assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now that you have access, it's time to remove the damaged stud. Carefully locate the specific wheel stud that needs replacing on your Altima's hub assembly. Using a hammer, gently but firmly tap the old, broken stud out from the back of the hub. Ensure you're hitting it squarely to avoid damaging other components. Once removed, take a moment to thoroughly clean the hub, clearing away any rust or debris. With the old stud out and the hub clean, you're ready to install the new one. Carefully insert the new wheel stud through the back of the hub, ensuring it's properly aligned. Next, place a few washers over the new stud on the front side, followed by a lug nut. Slowly tighten the lug nut, which will pull the new stud firmly into its seated position. Continue tightening until it's completely flush and secure. Finally, it's time for reassembly. Carefully reinstall the brake caliper, rotor, and then the wheel onto your Altima. Remember to torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specific settings for safety and proper wheel retention. Double-check all connections before lowering the vehicle. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.